What's up everybody, it's KelseeBrianaJai here with a very flirty but yet grungy look at the same time. And I feel like this look is perfect for Valentine's Day, or if you're watching this and you don't have plans for Valentine's Day, or you just have a date night or just a girls night and you want something that's just a little bit different. I feel like this is the perfect look. What I love so much about this look is the contrast. If you cover up the mouth, the look is very light and angelic. Then if you cover up the eyes, the look is very punk rock and just overall very grungy. Before we jump into this tutorial, make sure you subscribe. That way you can keep up with me whenever I post new content. And I hope that you guys enjoy. And I'll talk to you guys very soon. The first thing that I'm going to do is apply my paint pots. And I'm going to use Lay and Glow Paint Pot by MAC. Once you have that done, now let's dip into some neutral eyeshadows. This is my Viva Neutral Matte Eyeshadow Palette. If you don't have this, use whatever you have. I'm going to take a mixture of these two colors with my Wayne Goss 03 brush. And I'm going to use this to set my paint pot. So I'm going to be working primarily out of the Natasha Denona Lila palette. I'm going to take that same Wayne Goss brush in the color Nude Mauve. I'm going to take this color above my crease, and this is going to be our transition color. That looks really pretty. I'm excited about this look so far. And I'm going to take the same brush in the color Viola. I want to take this brush because it is a very fluffy brush, and I want this color to be pretty blown out in my crease. So just back and forth right underneath where I took Nude Mauve. Right on the edge of where Nude Mauve stops, I'm going to apply this color and slightly drag it down onto the lid. And again, I'm going to go back and layer this color once more. And I'm going to take the same color with a more detailed blending brush. This is a Chikuhodo GSN 10 brush. This brush is going to apply the color more concentrated. So I'm going to take this color right into the crease. And this is going to apply it more concentrated and make it look even more purple. You guys can see versus that side. That's a little trick you can do when blending out your eyeshadows. Using different brushes is going to allow the eyeshadow to be applied to your lid in different effects. Now I'm going to switch to a 242 brush, which is a flat shader brush, and the color Juno. Pop this on my inner tear duct. And this is going to be our inner tear duct highlight color. Bring it in onto the lid a little bit, not too far in, but make sure you're blending it with the other colors that are already applied. So now I'm going to take the same brush and a pigment from MAC. This is in the color Violet. It's a really beautiful electric violet color. Taking some Fix Plus, I'm going to gently spray my brush with that. I'm going to apply this right on my lid. Make sure to blend this with the inner tear duct color as well as the crease color. And don't be too hasty with this because you don't want to get a lot of fallout on your face. And I want this to go all across the lid. And just continue packing this color on until it gets pretty opaque. So this is looking really beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and do my concealer, powder, a little bit of liner and lashes, and I'll be back and we can finish off the look together. So back on my eyes, I'm going to go back with the color Juno, the Wayne Goss number 20 brush. Very carefully, I'm going to apply this on the lower inner corner. And then going back with Viola and the same brush. I'm going to take this color along the rest of the lower lash line. And I'm going to make sure that it's really blown out and pretty and purple. Make sure you connect it to the top. For a highlight, I'm going to take the Dior highlighter in Hollow Pink. And a little bit of blush, MAC Blush Baby. Now let's do our lips. I'm going to take a MAC lip liner. This one is in the color Current. And for the lipstick, I'm going to take the Bobbi Brown lipstick in the color Plum Brandy. I just love the way this lipstick smells. And some Fix Plus. and this is the final look. I hope that you all enjoyed this look. Let me know if you recreate it by tagging me on your pictures on Instagram using my hashtag #KelseeBrianaJai. And if you haven't already, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, the trifecta. And I will see you guys right back here very, very soon. Smooches. Bye.